Alright guys, Georgia Jim. Got another disc detainer lock here. This is an Anji bow, something like that. I'm probably butchering that, but we can get it. See, the shackle fell. Put it back. Alright. Let's see if we can get this one picked. I picked it once before, so maybe I'm starting to learn what I'm doing. Let's see now if I can get on the next disc. Alright, I think we're good. So I need to go back to the bottom. Where you at? Hope I haven't moved the bottom disc too much. I just need to find my zeroed up. I'm still trying to get the feel for this. I'm trying to find my zero disc and counter rotate. Nope, not yet. Either I'm on the wrong disc or something else isn't set. Trying to keep my pick level so far is the biggest challenge for me. This ring is probably not helping. I need to get some washers or something like that so I can have something a little bit more stable than a ring that wobbles up and down. Make actually staying on discs a lot easier. Nope, not yet. So, since that's wrong, let's check this disc. Okay, so I need to go down. There we go. Alright, not bad, not great, but I think there's only 5 discs in there, and it took me 5 minutes. So, whatever. I'm learning. Alright guys, thanks for watching.